Cardano value equivalent to 7.1463 rands a coin. The present cost range, 7.1049, 7.4834. The earlier day close, 7.3873. The change was 0.2410, 3.26%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost 7.32 rands, high 7.83, low 6.81. Cardano estimate on Monday, June 5, cost 7.31 rands, high 7.82, low 6.80. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 7.24 rands, high 7.75, low 6.73. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost 7.49 rands, high 8.01, low 6.97. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 7.81 rands, high 8.36, low 7.26. Cardano estimate on Friday, June 9, cost 7.93 rands, high 8.49, low 7.37. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 7.78 rands, high 8.32, low 7.24. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost 7.58 rands, high 8.11, low 7.05. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 7.66 rands, high 8.20, low 7.12. In about 14 days Cardano gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost 7.85 rands, high 8.40, low 7.30. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 7.79 rands, high 8.34, low 7.24. Cardano gauge on Monday, June 19, cost 7.76 rands, high 8.30, low 7.22. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 7.59 rands, high 8.12, low 7.06. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost 7.57 rands, high 8.10, low 7.04. In 3 weeks Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 7.84 rands, high 8.39, low 7.29. Cardano gauge on Friday, June 23, cost 7.97 rands, high 8.53, low 7.41. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 8.01 rands, high 8.57, low 7.45. Cardano figure on Tuesday, June 27, cost 8.11 rands, high 8.68, low 7.54. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost 8.04 rands, high 8.60, low 7.48. In about a month Cardano figure on Thursday, June 29, cost 8.28 rands, high 8.86, low 7.70. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 7.98 rands, high 8.54, low 7.42. Cardano figure on Monday, July 3, cost 8.14 rands, high 8.71, low 7.57. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 7.38 rands, excessive cost 8.86, while low cost 6.73. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.74. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.98, change for June 8.1%. Cardano figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 7.98 rands, excessive cost 9.23, while low cost 7.34. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.30. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 8.63, change for July 8.1%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023, initially cost at 8.63 rands, excessive cost 9.42, while low cost 8.18. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.76. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 8.80, change for August 2.0%. Cardano figure for September 2023, initially cost at 8.80 rands, excessive cost 9.61, while low cost 8.35. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.94. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 8.98. Change for September 2.0%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 8.98 rands. Excessive cost 10.60, while low cost 8.98. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.62. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.91, change for October 10.4%. Cardano conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 9.91 rands, excessive cost 10.09, while low cost 8.77. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.55. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.43, change for November 4.8%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 9.43 rands, excessive cost 11.71, while low cost 9.43. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.38. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 10.94, change for December 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 10.94 rands, excessive cost 10.94, while low cost 8.55. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.91. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.19, change for January 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 9.19 rands, excessive cost 9.19, while low cost 7.18. They found the middle value of cost 8.32. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.72, change for February 16.0%. Cardano gauge for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 7.72 rands, exorbitant cost 7.79, while low cost 6.77. They found the middle value of cost 7.39. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.28, change for spring 5.7%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at 7.28 rands, exorbitant cost 8.06, while low cost 7.00. They found the middle value of cost 7.47. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.53, change for April 3.4%. Cardano gauge for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 7.53 rands, exorbitant cost 7.53, while low cost 6.23. They found the middle value of cost 7.00. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.70, change for May 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 6.70 rands, exorbitant cost 8.22, while low cost 6.70. They found the middle value of cost 7.33. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.68, change for June 14.6%. ZAR to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 0.1399 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1336 minus 0.1407. The earlier days nearby 0.1354. Change for now plus 0.0045, plus 3.32%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Cardano gauge on Friday, June 2, cost 0.137 coins, high 0.147, low 0.128. ZAR to ADA forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 0.137 coins, high 0.147, low 0.128.